us correct way to live together.
We remember and thank our freedom fighters for their sacrifices.
Republic Day reminds us of love and respect for our country.
It teaches us unity, peace, and responsibility.
As citizens, we should always do what is right.
Respect for elders and care for others makes better society.
Together, we can keep our country strong and united.
Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, and Happy Republic Day to everyone.
Thank you.
हे अजून कोणी बोलणार आहे का? हा नसेल तर या ठिकाणी आपल्या मंगलताई पगारे यांना मी विनंती करतो की त्यांनी आपलं मनोगत व्यक्त करावे.